Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking onto this video. Hoping you're doing well. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Hannah Modoni, or you can call me Hannah's Kitchen. This video, I'm going to start it today is Monday, the 31st of July. I'm going to be doing a weekly recap of what we eat for dinner. So this is Monday, and tonight's menu is ugali and fish and some cabbage. Follow along this video, like this video, share and subscribe, and see you on the other days of the week, and hope you enjoy this video. Karibu sana. So guys, I've prepped my cabbage and that's the fish. So right now I'm going to be peeling my garlic so that I can pound it and use it as a marination for the fish. So now we season our fish with some salt, a bit of black pepper, and some tomato paste and the garlic paste that we had prepared earlier. So wrap it in and with some oil, and then you're going to be baking this in the oven. As it does, I'm going to be prepping my ugali, guys. So that goes in the maize flour. So you mix till it all comes together beautifully. So yeah, ugali is now done, and we're going to go in with the steamed cabbage. I'm just gonna saute it with some onions. Ugali is ready and we're ready to serve. So I love this fish so much. It's salty water from the coast, and I'd have this every single day if I had to. So for Tuesday, we were out and about and we got home a bit late, so we had to grab something from Naivas, and this is fries and some potatoes and wings. So this is what we had. Here comes Wednesday. So for this day, I prepped some veggie rice together with some stewed mincemeat and some vegetables. So as you can see, I'm steaming and sauteing the vegetables, and my rice is well mixed. So I am just sauteing the minced beef and letting my rice boil. As you can see, it was really beautiful, and these greens were a mix of terere and some spinach. Really nice. And we were done. Food was served, and this was so delicious, guys. I think this day was a favorite of mine. I prepped some viazi karai. As you can see, my potatoes are there. And now I'm going to be preparing my tamarind sauce. But first we boil the potatoes with some salt. Here I'm pounding some garlic and chilies, mixing my flour with some cinnamon and a bit of black pepper, and adding to it some cold water to make a paste for our potatoes. So after the mix is ready, I'm going to be adding my pre-boiled potatoes into the paste, and now we're going to be deep frying. After my tamarind is soaked, I'm going to be squeezing it out and setting aside as I continue to cook my viazi karai. This is so good, guys. I love them a bit brown. To my tamarind dip, I add in the garlic and chili paste and mix well. Then I'm going to be adding a bit of salt and a bit of sugar to just deepen up my flavors. I love doing this. It's so amazing. So yeah, my potatoes are done and it's time to serve. This is so good. It reminds me of the coast. We love this dish. Here comes Friday. I was not feeling too well, but I was able to make some spaghetti and I beat up some eggs, and my husband was kind enough to help me saute the eggs. So as you can see, I did not get so much footage of this day, but this is what we had. So Saturday we had planned some barbecue with our good friends and neighbors, so we prepped a whole mbuzi. We had some ribs, some wet fry, and I baked this kotlet in the oven. It was so good. I used some herbs and some lemon. As you can see, it was really good, together with some thyme as well. So as you can see, we also enjoyed these parts of the mbuzi so much. The lungs, the tripe. Time for some soup. So good, and as you can see, that's a whole head. I tell you, this soup was so good, so good. Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm joined by the one and only Villain.
I'm here with Hannah's Kitchen.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
So what do you do on your channel?
I actually do lifestyle, food, and I talk about faith as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
And right here we do lots of food videos, a bit of lifestyle, and also videos. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.